Hey guys, this is my first unboxing video. I'm gonna unbox Logitech MK275 wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Let's open it up. And this feels very premium to me. Alright, so if you can see here, you can find the auto switch on off switch here, and I think this would be a battery adapter. Okay, yes, and they have given a battery. You can remove this. Okay, so just attach over here. Yes, it's responding very fast. And the keyboard, let me talk about the keyboard. The keyboard quality is very premium. You will feel the very premium look. Okay, and as you can see, they have given the adjustment, the height adjustment at the bottom of the keyboard. Alright, and also I like to inform you that they have given a 2 AAA battery here. That's why they are claiming 30. So let me try to type something over here. Alright, also the keyboard, I don't see much keyboard sounds. Okay, so when you are pressing any key, sometimes it will gives you irritating keyboard sounds, but here I don't see any much keyboard sounds. Also they have provided the I hope you really like this video, so please subscribe my channel. I'll be posting more unboxings and technical related videos on this channel. Thank you.